everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisha Shajesh. So today we will be solving LeetCode question number 205, which is isomorphic strings. So let's start by reading our question. Given two string S and T, determines if they are isomorphic. Two string S and T are isomorphic if the character S can be replaced to get T. All occurrence of the character must be replaced with another character while preserving the order of characters. No two characters may map to the same characters, but a character may map to itself. Okay, so here it's given that no two character can map in the same character, but a character can map to itself. So this is contradictory here. So in example number 1, it's given that S is equal to egg, egg, and T is equal to add. So the output is true. Why? Because here we have mapping E to A. We are mapping A to A, okay, and in the second thing we are mapping G to D. So we can map it to itself but not to the another variable, another letter. And the example number 2, it's given F11 and T is equal to B23. The output is false because the string T is not like mapping correctly here. The identity 1 needs to be mapped to 2 and 3, but it's not being mapped. In the example number 3, the output is true because the S is equal to paper and the T is title. The P is mapping towards T, E is mapping towards I, P is again mapping towards T, E is mapping towards L, and the R is mapping towards E. So the output is true. So to understand it more further, let's start by writing our code. So firstly, we will just take two vector in integer variable, name index of S, name from 200 to 0, and then again we will take another vector of integer itself of index t from 200 to 0. Same for S and T, we have differently made. Now we will just take it len, and we will just find out the length of S, and we will give a condition that if length is not equal to T dot length, what we will do, we will return false here. Now we will run a for loop from int I equals to 0, I greater than equals to length I plus plus. Then it will give a condition and check if index of S is equal to S of I if not equal to index of T is not equal to T of I. We will just return it as false here again. Now what we will do, we will just give the index of S of I equals to I plus 1 and index T of I equals to I plus 1, and what we will do, we will just return here that true. Now we'll just check if all the test case is being passed or not. As you can see, all the test case has been passed, and now we'll just submit it. As you can see, it has been submitted successfully. So this was my code for the isomorphic strings. Thanks for watching my video. If you like, just like and subscribe. Thank you.